All right, happy Monday to you, man. Another week. Last week of the year, last couple of days, finish the year out strong. Got a lot of sell off. Got a sell off going on. People doing tax loss harvesting, trying to claim those losses they can do for the end of the year. You can claim up to like $3,000 a year in losses. So they exiting some of their positions. This is normal. Still can get that Santa Claus rally at the beginning of the year. See what's gonna happen. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get the trade, man. Top movers, you got AFCG. I know this is the marijuana stock. Nice quarterly dividend play. No Trump lowering the um the charges on marijuana. I think they classifying it as like a class 3 or a schedule 3 drug, which means it's nothing. I mean, if you get caught with it or whatever, but I know two weeks ago when he announced that the stocks went up, but didn't go up as much as I planned it to. Got a 52-week high of $8.88. 52-week low $2.52. I think when he announced that, it went up to about $3.30, and that's it. I sold this earlier this year around about $5.50, and didn't expect for it to drop this low. But the marijuana industry is volatile, but you do get just for y'all that's in it, 27.74% dividend yield. If you're not in it, stay out of it. All right, let's get to it, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Only buy orders I had trigger was IWMY. I triggered 15 shares at $20.12. That was a 52-week low, but it made a new 52-week low, which is 20.04, well, $20.04. It's at 20.06 now. When it got $3 worth earlier, about to go in online with y'all, get another two. The Russell 2000, one of the volatile sectors it is. Thanks a lot of like lower cap and mid cap companies. It's not like the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Those perform much better. But this IWMY does pay a dividend out every week, so that's what we're using it for. For income, I got on $1 a day, recurring. And some days when it's down, like I said, just like the day I go buy extra. And sometime during the week, I go buy a couple shares. I want to get to 500 shares. Once I get to 500, I'm going to leave it alone. But next up, Webull, ticker BULL, man, got down to $7.93 today. It has a 52-week low of $7.57. $7.93, definitely not a bad price to pick up a couple shares. What I'm about to do, like I say, this is a long-term play right here, 7.93. Gonna pick me up a good 5 shares right here. The add for my long term. I got 176 shares at $10.16. Remember, this has a 52-week high of $79.56. This is a $14 stock easily. Especially when earnings come around, it announces good earnings. This stock gonna fly up. Got PSEC, PSEC, 4.5. Excuse me, man, my big fingers, man. PSEC, 4.5 cents a share every month. Got down to $2.45. You can set your buy limits on that. I'm gonna come right here and just do it with y'all to show y'all how to do it for beginner investors. Hit trade, buy. The top right hand arrow where it says shares, hit that. Go to limit order under conditional orders. How many shares you want? 5. $2.45. Continue. Set your trading session on extended hours, not market. That'll put it out for 90 days. So as you can see right here, like I said, this order is good to March 29th, 2026. Boom. So 90 days is set. Come down and touch 225. It automatically buy it. Let's go with USOI. 30% dividend yield, pays out every month. Just doing covered calls on crude oil. Y'all know oil right now is down. I like this really at 50 and up for 52 and under. It's trading Got this low, got a 52-week low, 45.84. So right now, I just dollar cost average on into it. I don't load up. My loading zone is below this $47 mark. And I don't load up. I just do like $10 to $20 a day then. Right now, I'm just staying into it, lowering my average cost. Y'all just coming in at this stock, man. Y'all coming in at a great price. Well, at the ETF, I'm gonna go with AMLP next. I got this in my Cash App portfolio. Don't want to have two positions in it, but go in and get you some of this. 30-day yield. See, the dividend yield is 8.75%. Got a 52-week high, 53.24, a low of 43.75. So don't load up, man. Just start a position, just dollar cost average on in. When it's below your average cost, add you $3, $5, $2, $10, whatever it is. All right, Vici got down to 28.13. I'm at 28.24. Average cost, I got 10.39 shares. Go and pick up some of this. Like I said, you don't have to load up, man. Rome wasn't built overnight. Just keeping money in the market. It does have a 6% dividend yield, payout every quarter. Got Nike got down to 60.52 today. Definitely buying Nike and lower my average cost. It's a long-term play. Once I swing it and make my exit out of it, I'm not entering back into it. I don't like the clothes sector, nor the shoes or the apparel. So I would make my exit up out of it. TELUS. If you're not in this one, stay out of it. It's a Canadian telecommunications company. Got a 9.08% yield. And you got to pay ADR fees. So they're going to take money out your dividends when you sell it, just for you selling it, because it's an out of the country stock, which Canada's right above us, but it's still considered that. The day low 12.78, 52 low 12.54. So I just lower my average cost in it. TELUS not a 24-hour stock, but it does have a nice yield though. It is something to own. One thing about the ADR fees, you can write them off on your taxes at the beginning of the on your taxes at the beginning of the year, end of the year, whatever you want to call it. USFR floating rate, place the park money. Got like 4.3% yield, payout every month. You won't take no L's on that. If you got 10 grand, if you want to keep it safe, put it there. Another one I like, SRLN. $41.19. Got a 7.21% yield, pays out every month. It's another one I went and got some of. LFT, I'm swing trading. Stay out of this one. I brought a bunch up last week. Got my average cost of 178. Going in, does pay a nice quarterly yield though. Perfect price to start a new position in. So I'm currently lowering my average cost on this one. Once this go above the $2, got it where I wanted it, which was below the $2 mark. Got a 52-week high of $2.84. I'm at 146. So this go to $2.50. I'm in the money, $1 a share. Got 1,100 shares, so I'll be up $1,100. This how trading works. You got to find the undervalued stocks. That's gonna benefit once they keep cutting the interest rates. Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. Just lowering my average cost in this one. I got over 1,000 shares. I get like $143 a month cash flow out of this play here. So I reinvest some of it back into it. YMAX, my favorite yield max ETF. YMAX and YMAG. YMAX got down to 10.16 today, which definitely is not. It's not a bad price. I make at least $100 a week on this one. So I got my buy limit orders at 10.15 and under. 10.16, not bad. I can go get some of that. Give me 2 shares, 10.16. 24 hours. And, that pays out every week. Also got ticker RC, Ready Capital, pay 10.5 or 12.5 cents a share every quarter. Another one, if you out of this one, don't enter it. It's gonna be risky. Nice price to start a position in though. So this will be my next one to lower my average cost in, the same way I did LFT. And with PSCC and all the other ones. If y'all in Brown-Forman, this is a liquor company. Perfect time to lower your average cost, $26.07. When they got some of this, 3.46% dividend yield. I know they got tariffs now on liquor, so that's going to definitely make the stock go down, but it's a perfect time to set up for a future yearly, couple years out swing trade once these tariffs get over with. Got ticker ABR. Definitely going to pick up some of this at these prices. I already got my 1,000 shares. So just lowering my average cost, just pay out every quarter. That is a REIT, real estate investment, real estate investment trust. LYB got down to 42.61. Why am I buying this? 12.53% yield. So pick up some of this, lowering my average cost in it. Building my position out. DOW. Even with LYB, once I swing trade this one, I'm probably won't enter back into it. Haven't been performing yet well. We got the Dow, another nice quarterly paying REIT. So my average cost there. Just buying up cash flow, man. DEO, Diageo, the liquor company that Puffy was a part of before all this stuff started going on. Got down to 85.75 today, 4.71% dividend yield, 56.5% say buy, 34.8 say hold, 8.7 say sell. Like I say, you got tariffs going on. So if you want to be a part of a liquor company, that'll be a nice one. Got a nice yield too. Netflix, definitely go get some of that. 52-week high is $134.12. Say this can go up to 160. Remember they brought Paramount with Warner Brothers, so they got to take on the debt, so that's why it's down. A lot of people don't want to deal with that, but in the next year while it's down, you better cash up and build you a nice position out for the future. Costs go down to 866.88, 52-week high of $1,078. You got upside of like $210 a share, 52-week low 844.06. And Costco not going anywhere. All right, let's go check our traps, man. Make sure we ain't leave anything on the table. No, it's a down day. Bank stock still high. Gonna make my exit out of those anyway. Take my money and run. See what else in buy range for me that's not in my list. We got RC, OBDC, and PD. OBDC, go get some of this nice quarterly paying REIT. Some of that cash flow there. And TCPC, not a bad one. At 542. And keep it simple, man. You ain't got to load up on nothing unless it's something like Amazon, something you want for a long-term play. This cash flow, these not trading at the 52-week lows, but it's below your average cost. I need to get Medifast. Y'all stay out of this one. Stay out of this one. I'm going to swing trade this one to get up out of this one. ABR, we got that. Land of Basel. AFCG is a discount, but it's not trading. It's low. 52-week low is 252. We can go get some at 271. I can do that. We'll get 10 shares at. Hold on, make sure it's not 24 hours. It's not. Get some at 271. Yep, lower my average cost there. Hold on, didn't mean to do that. Go back to that spot. Got YMAX, XDTE, XDTE, QDTE, and XDTE. It's at 32. These pay out every week also. I want to lower my average cost in these. And build my position up some more. So I'm going to get some QDTE, XDTE. I got these on the dollar a day recurring investment. YMAX, put it in 216 just in case it don't go. Give me $2 worth at today's prices. Lower my average cost. I like clip at 31 and under. Pays 62 to 66 cents a share a month. Pick up some DEA. DEA and a Dow. Nice quarterly payments here. All right. Charge Point. They make charging stations for the EVs. Pick up some of this. You're not going to see no difference in that stock to like 2027 on certain earnings dates. It'll fly up, squeeze, whatever you swing trade and take profits and rinse and repeat. Look at Robinhood, 116.34. Got down to 115.70 today. Definitely a long-term play. Robinhood not going anywhere. SoFi bank stock I do like. I'm at 26.26 at 26.90. I got to remember this above my average cost, but this ain't going to do nothing but go up. SoFi making money, and they reinvest it back into the company. Got all the yield maxes on the dollar day recurring. Go get some HPP. Y'all stay out of this one. RDTE 3078. This one also pays out every week. Got Misty and everything down. 3022. What's the 52-week low? 2983. Also pays out every week. Down days I go by, put a little extra with it. So you got those on a dollar day recurring. Coney, another one. And that's how I deal with these yield packs ETFs since after the Reverse stock split. And that's it for today, man. Gonna get cool. Gonna get down to 40 degrees tonight, like 37. So got a cold front coming. Y'all stay safe, stay warm. Go get your money.